talk about power of writing. Okay, how much is important to write anything, and what kind of benefits you can see in you when you just start the writing section, and why people also saying to improve any language just start the writing sections. Do you know that? Now I have realized, which I'm sharing with you, power of writings. Okay, so thing is that we also concentrations on the like on reading, listening, watching, writing and everything. Okay, but I just tell you what is the important, actually how much is important writing sections for improving, for learning or for speaking any language. If you want to be a speaker, it is okay that it is okay, some kind of mistakes you can go, flow with that things, it is okay. But you want to write any applications, you want to send any email, so definitely without any good writing with good grammar you cannot do that. So of course it is really necessary. And I just share with you my, you know my real experience which I realized. Okay, suppose I also speak a lot. Okay, I also making a video nowadays. I am also practicing a lot on my English communications. But thing is that I'm speaking a lot, I'm listening a lot, I'm watching a lot. But thing is that I'm not able to write. But yeah, whenever I just send a message to anyone, I just prefer to send the messages in English, and I always try to write with full of grammar and with full of new fancy word. So, and I just started my writing section as well, because of I want to improve my grammar as well. So like first of all, please just try to listen carefully, and please just try to watch this video till end. If you will watch this video till end, definitely you can get full message about the writing, why writing is so important, why we also should focus on the writing process. Okay, so thing is that if you want to be a speaker, it is okay. If you want to be good communicator, professionally speaker, so definitely just try to focus on the writing sections. I just tell you with example. Okay, right now I'm speaking, whatever I'm speaking you cannot catch me. Okay, but if I will try to all things on the notepad, so definitely a lot of mistakes I can get easily. This is the biggest differences between writing sections and speaking sections. Okay, second thing is, if you want to be a good grammar, if you want to be at good grammar, so definitely for that things you have to focus on the writing sections. I just give example. I just give example. Right now I'm just making video. Okay, I'm making video. I just tell you very gradually. That's why I just I just focus on my grammar portions as well, and that's why I just make the sentence correctly. But when you just write at that time, you just face a lot of things regarding grammar, regarding new vocabulary, regarding spelling as well. While the speaking time, you don't you don't need that. You are focusing only and only on the pronunciation, but not on the spelling. But when you just start the writing section at that time, of course when you just check all things. Suppose you just had written a one page on the notepad. Okay, and when you just check that page, after that you can get and you can count your mistakes, where where did you do mistakes while the writing sections. You also can mistakes in the spell, in the grammars, in the writing as well. Sometimes some people also just forgot to put the pause as well. Pause, full stop, capital alphabet in the beginning of the sentence, or all alphabet should be in the small alphabet. And if you just write I in between of the sentence, so always I is mentioned into the capital alphabet. So all knowledge you can get only and only by the writing sections. So and if you are beginner, or if you are beginner and you are trying to write, so definitely I will seriously I will say to you, please just try to focus on the writing sections, because you know what happened when we also trying to write anything, at that time we also can get a lot of sentences, and we also can, you know, we are not able to actually making those sentences. But when we also trying to those sentences to write, definitely that process we will, you know, we automatically catch in the mind. And after that, when we also trying to speak, at that time you also can say, yeah, I just remembered that thing when I'm writing, at that time I just got that sentence. Okay, I just give you example. Okay, I just give you example in Hindi. Okay, मेरी गोल्ड की रिंग खो गई है, और यू कैन से मेरी चैन खो गई है, मेरी चैन खो गई है, हर कोने में छानो, हर कोने में छानो. Okay, so what I'm saying, of course I'm saying in English. Please just try to search my chain in every corner, because my chain has lost. Okay, but when I just start the writing, and I have to focus on the grammar portion as well. And okay, I tell you a new words. When you have need to say to anyone, and you are giving to order to someone, that please just search or just try to find that things which you have lost. Okay, which you have lost, or you are trying to find that things. Maybe you lost your documents and you are finding in every corner, so you also can say कोने कोने में ढूंढो, या कोने कोने में देखो. लुक ईच नोक एंड कॉर्नर, कोना कोना देखो या हर कोने में छानो. ओके, पूरे कोने कोने को खोद डालो, कोना कोना देखो. सो यू ऑल्सो कैन यूज दिस वर्ड लुक ईच नोक एंड कॉर्नर. Look each, knock and corner. Look each and knock and corner means, where is my chain which I have lost? Please just try to look each, knock and corner. So I want to say only one thing. When you just trying to speak any kind of thing, you actually you cannot catch your mistakes while the speaking. But when you just try to start the writing, and after the writing you also can match your all page which you just made 10 sentence, 20 sentence on the notepad. So just try to match with the help of grammar applications on the phone, and you also can see that how many mistakes you did. You did mistakes where, like while the spelling time, while the pause time, full stop time, grammar time, writing, and of course by the writing activity, you also can make your writing into the good handwriting. Okay, so this is also biggest benefit. And by your good handwriting, a lot of people also says, if your writing is really good and your writing so beautiful, so definitely your personality is so much great. I don't know about that, but actually my writing is not too good, my writing so bad. But I just listened this line which I shared with you. Okay, so for that things, please just try to focus on the writing sections, and definitely you also can focus on your grammar. At least you also can learn, you also can learn which is really required to learn for the grammar. So at least you also can focus by the writing sections, like where you are lacking and what kind of need. You also can focus on the grammar. Don't learn full of grammar, but yeah, everyone must know at least little bit of grammar, and by that things, this is possible only and only by the writing sections. Okay, so I'm just going to write my practice by the writing, and I would like to share one more thing, that if you just if you just wrote any things before 4 days and after 4 days, you also can again count that mistakes, or you also can admire to yourself if you just did really really great while the writing sections. Okay. And if you just wrote before 1 year and you are checking into the future after 1 year, definitely I am sure that you also can laugh on all, you also can laugh on yourself. You will laugh just because of your stupid things maybe, and maybe you also making a some imaginations story while the writing sections. Maybe you also shared any kind of days which you spent into the past, and you will laugh after 1 year when you just read that notepad. I must say, I'm sure that you will laugh. So just try to start the writing sections. This is the power of writing.